Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open your document in WPS Writer and switch to Print Layout View now. Open the navigation pane using Ctrl+F to list pages and headings. Enable paragraph marks with Ctrl+Shift+8 to reveal hidden empty paragraphs and page breaks. Press Ctrl+End to jump straight to the document end and inspect any extra pages. Note whether the final page contains only blank paragraph symbols or a manual page break character. These visible markers tell you which removal method to use next. If you see only paragraph marks on the extra page, select them and press backspace. For a manual page break symbol, click it and press delete to remove the forced break. To remove an unwanted section break, go to Layout, Open Breaks, and select the break line, then press delete. After each deletion, press Ctrl+End to recheck the document end for remaining blank space. Repeat deletion until the extra page is gone and the final content sits correctly. If a blank page persists, double-click the header or footer to inspect stray content. Remove any invisible elements there and close the header to reevaluate. If a section break causes the page, convert it to continuous or delete it to merge adjoining pages. Check page margins and final paragraph spacing. Reduce spacing or margins slightly to prevent a forced extra page. Finally, save the document and use Print Preview to confirm the extra page has been removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.